Everyone is making money. Why am I always late?
This is Alex. Like millions of investors, he thought success was about being fast.
This is it. This stock is going to the moon.
At first, everything worked.
I'm a genius. Wait, what? Why is it dropping?
And just like that, the market reminded him of something most beginners ignore. Success in investing isn't about being lucky. It's about thinking differently.
You're thinking like everyone else.
Isn't that what I'm supposed to do?
That's exactly why you're losing. First level thinking says, it's a good company, so buy. Second level thinking says, everyone thinks it's good, so it's probably overpriced.
So, being right isn't enough?
No, you need to be differently right.
Most people confuse price with value.
Just because something is expensive doesn't mean it's valuable.
So what should I look at?
Intrinsic value. You need to ask questions. Is the company profitable? Can it survive? Is it strong?
So, I don't follow hype. I analyze reality.
In 2000, a stock like Yahoo went from extremely high to nearly worthless.
How is that even possible?
Because price was wrong.
Markets are not machines, they are people.
And people are emotional.
So prices move because of feelings?
Greed and fear drive everything.
When everything feels safe, that's when risk is highest.
This feels easy.
That's dangerous.
Risk is invisible until it hits.
You can't predict it, but you can respect it.
So how do I measure it?
You don't see risk in good times, but it's always there.
Markets move in cycles.
Nothing goes up forever, and nothing stays down forever.
So timing matters.
The best opportunities come when others panic.
Buy when others are forced to sell.
That feels scary.
That's why it works.
Great investors don't follow trends. They question them.
So I go against the crowd?
Not blindly, intelligently.
Predictions feel smart, but they rarely help.
No one can predict the future.
Then what do I do?
Understand the present.
Are people greedy or fearful?
Exactly.
Your biggest enemy isn't the market, it's you.
So I need to control myself.
Sometimes bad decisions look brilliant, and good ones fail.
That's luck.
So I focus on process, not outcomes?
Balance offense and defense.
Take risks, but protect yourself.
I'm starting to understand.
He didn't become perfect, he became aware.
The most important thing is thinking differently.
If you want to master investing, don't chase the market, understand it.
These are lessons from Warren Buffett's recommended book, The Most Important Thing.